Okay, I'm hoping you enjoyed the pictures. There will be more to come. There's a lot to cover. TRex-450 Pro. Box I've put in the background. You can see there's a set of blades there that I've put on the balancer, and you can the box is actually on the tilt, and you can see the blades are coming out really nice. And I'm going to ignore the phone just for now because it's important that I show you this. I've been meaning to get around to doing this all day. Now, you've seen that for £380 you get 3 cyclic servos, metal gear, and you get this cordless digital tail servo. So really the only thing you need to be up and running for this is your receiver. I'm going to be using the AR9000 Spectrum and a battery, a LiPo. I'll be using the 2500 milliamp hour, and it will be 11.1 volts because you can use 14.8 volt as well. Anyway, here's the tail assembly unit, and it's very, very thick and chunky, believe me. Well engineered, well made. This part of the shaft is actually thicker in diameter than the shaft where you've got your collective. It moves very, very freely, so you shouldn't have too much problem setting up, and there's even a line, a logo there. Nice design curve here. Now these blade grips are actually chunky for a reason. They're weighted blade grips, and it's something to do with cutting down on vibration, a specific type of vibration. Okay, right, moving on. Here is the swash plate. It's an extreme, 3D swash. All of this is CNC. This is what I call the flybar cradle. Let me just see if I can get that to come clear. No, it's not gonna. So there's gonna be some more photos. It's an extreme edition swash plate basically, and it seems a little bit bigger than the 450 SE. Now, look at these. Anodized black and very nicely polished silver, where they've just basically finished it off, and you can make out the name on the head centered there on both sides. There we go. And this from these blade grip nuts, from these blade grip bolts, sorry, from this one to this one, the distance is actually wider than it is on here. Check that out. A great deal wider. And it's not an optical illusion either. So the actual overall blade diameter is going to be a lot bigger than the TRex version 2. Here we have the tail. Again, I've got to be very quick. Inside here is your is everything you need. Your 2 struts, your fly bar, and this is your torque tube drive. Now, the frame. Excuse me. Right, we have a high powered motor here, high torque should I say, quite strong on the torque. And look at the head, you can see it's very strong. This main shaft has got a ridge around it. That's actually part of the main shaft. I'm just going to slip that out. And like I say, I've got to be pretty quick showing you this. The 3 reinforcements. This bottom piece of carbon fibre is a lot thicker than the sides. The sides are the same thickness as the version 2, but this just happens to be thicker. Aluminum reinforcement there, the front, just after the motor and at the back. Tail servo fits in here. Gyro fits on the top. Lovely. You can just make out there. It's well made. Very strong. So I'll have to get that phone in a second. Here's the one-way bearing. Right. Now this is the new canopy. And if you take a look at the angle of that, they've said that this is the new streamlined one. And I agree, it is. Very much so. And just basically all you need after you've paid your £380 and you've got all of your kit and everything, your receiver and your battery. So any questions, please ask me. I'm pushed for time. I won't be using this gyro. I'm replacing this gyro. I took the gyro off my TRex-450 and to put it on the belt, so now this is going on the belt. Sorry, going on the TRex-450, and I've bought the good reliable GY401. So I'm going to have to sign off and leave you, and thank you so much for watching. I will be bringing you videos of it coming together and the build. Here's your 3 linkages for, I mean, just look how short they are. They're tiny, minuscule, ridiculous. Only 2 of these will actually be adjustable on the head. These are a few cyclic 3 cyclic servos. So I really have got to cut it now. This is the one-piece skid that everybody's going on about. They're bitching about it like crazy because it's just flimsy. And first off, I tend to agree. One last thing. If you look at the box, there are 4 signatures: Jason Krause, Alan Zarbo Jr. and Lucas Reaver and Bert Cameron. So that all makes it even better. I've got myself an extra set of blades. These are the blades that have come with it. Here's the instructions booklet, or destructions, whatever you want to call them. Everything you possibly need is there. Alright, okay, I'm going to go because the time is cracking. I won't be able to upload this. Thanks very much for watching, and if you want to see anything more, I'll do another video. Cheers.